In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact group in Outlook 365. By the end, you'll have a single reusable list you can email all at once, perfect for teams, clients, classes, or event lists. In Outlook on the web, what many people call a contact group is labeled contact list, so don't worry if you see that wording, it's the same idea. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual Outlook or Microsoft account. Once your mailbox loads, look toward the left-hand side or the app launcher bar for the People area. This is your Contacts hub, where you manage individual contacts and lists. Click People to switch from Mail to the Contacts view. At the top of the People page, find the New Contact button. It's a drop-down, so select the small arrow to open the menu. You'll see different options, including creating a single contact, but for our purpose, choose New Contact List. This ensures you're building a list that can hold multiple email addresses under one name. Give your contact list a clear, memorable name. Think about how you'll use it in the to field later. Short descriptive titles like Marketing Team, Project Alpha, or Parents Committee make it easy to find and reduce mistakes. Consistency helps if you plan to make several lists. Now add email addresses. You can type addresses directly, and Outlook will often suggest people from your existing contacts as you type. If you're adding multiple addresses, separating them with commas is a simple way to keep things organized. Take a moment to double-check spelling. An extra letter or missing domain can bounce messages and cause confusion. If someone has multiple emails, pick the one they use most for your group's purpose. There's also a description field. While optional, it's very useful for future you and anyone else who might reference this list. Add a short note explaining who's included and why the list exists, such as vendors for Q1 campaigns or weekly stand-up participants. This context makes maintenance easier over time. When everything looks good, click Create. Outlook will save the list and you'll be able to find it in People whenever you need it. To use it in an email later, just start a new message and type the list name in the To field. Outlook will resolve it to all members. If your roster changes, you can return to the People view to update the list so it stays accurate. That's it. Your Outlook 365 contact group is ready to go.